Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Nikhil and आज हम सीखेंगे कि how can you generate quality leads with the help of Facebook ads and WhatsApp messages. Yes, this is one of the best way to generate leads, quality leads actually, because the user is directly jumping onto your WhatsApp messages. And it has a lot of benefits also. If I have to tell you two or three, one is you're getting the leads, a quality lead, you're getting it directly onto your WhatsApp account, so you can directly chat or message or have a conversation with the lead on spot. And second thing, you're getting the active mobile phone number of the user, because that's one of the problem also with Facebook ads or generally with the lead form. That lead form takes the phone number of the user automatically from the Facebook profile. So sometimes those numbers are inactive, they are not working, but here you can make sure, and this will make sure that the number which you are getting is actually the active WhatsApp number at least. And third thing, you don't need a website, you don't need a landing page to run these ads. You just need a WhatsApp number, and which can be a WhatsApp business number. So I would recommend you to not use your personal number, use another number, a separate number which you can use as a WhatsApp business number. So directly let's jump onto the screen and see how you can run these WhatsApp ads, or I would say Facebook ads, and get your leads directly onto WhatsApp and convert them into your clients. So the first thing which you need to do is go to your Facebook page from where you want to run the ads. If you don't know how to create a Facebook page, it's pretty easy. I'll link a video in the description. You can check out that video. It'll take you just 2-3 minutes to create a Facebook page. Once you have created a Facebook page, just come onto your Facebook page, and on the left hand section, you just need to come on to settings section. And then again you just need to come down and come to WhatsApp section. Okay, so here what you need to do is so my number is already connected here, but it will give you option to connect your number with this Facebook page. And as I said, make sure the number which you're using is a separate number, which is not your personal number, and which you can use as a WhatsApp for business also. Okay, so that is what I'll give you a few steps here to connect your WhatsApp number with your Facebook page. Once you're done, this is what the screen will show you. Okay, and once you're done here, then now we will need to go to our ads manager account, and from here we can create our WhatsApp campaign. So once you're into ad manager account, okay, so by the way, how can you create a WhatsApp ad manager account? You just need to go to your Facebook account and just type in the URL, you just need to type this facebook.com/ads manager, and you will land onto this screen. It's that easy, facebook.com/ads manager. I'll put that link also in the description. You can just directly click there and you will land onto what ads manager, Facebook ad manager. So once you're here, now let's go on and create a WhatsApp campaign. Okay, so once you're here, you just need to come to campaign section, just click on create campaign, and it'll give you few objectives here. The objectives we want to choose is messages. This is the objective we want to go with. So messages I have chosen, and then I'll just click on continue from here. Done. So it'll give me just name your campaign. I'll just name it as NP WhatsApp image ad. That's all. So I'll just give it as this name. Category, you don't have to select any category because you are not running ads into any special category. If you are, you can select that too. Then come down and you just need to come into CBO section, campaign budget optimization. It's nothing but you can add your daily budget or lifetime budget in campaign budget also, in the campaign section also, or you can do it in the ad set also. So you have two options. if you want to give a budget to the campaign, so you can switch it on and give the budget here itself. I'll give it in the ad set section, so I'll keep it off for now, and I'll just click on next. Okay, so once I'm here, I just need to give the ad set a name. So I'll just give the same name with probably, if I'm just promoting in India, so I'll just write India here. Then it gives me message destination, so it's asking me whether you want to choose Messenger, WhatsApp or Instagram Direct. So in this case we want to go with WhatsApp because we are running WhatsApp ads obviously. So we'll click on WhatsApp and then we'll select the page. It'll give me option to select the page, and we'll select the same page where we have connected our a WhatsApp number, or from where we want to run the WhatsApp ads. So let's select that. So here I have selected my own page here. Now in this section, just come down, it'll give you option, what do you want to optimize your ads for. We want to optimize it for link clicks. Okay, cost, you can do that. Cost control also I would recommend not to do it here. Just put the budget, whatever daily budget you want to keep it in here. I'll just keep it as 100 rupees for now, the daily budget. You can also go with lifetime budget. Let's say you have a bunch of money to spend on your this campaign, so you can just select the lifetime budget, put all of the budget here, and just select start and end date of the campaign. So it'll spend it throughout that particular time period. I'll just for now go with the daily budget. And then if I come down, it'll give me these options here. Audience targeting, there are many ways of audience targeting. For now we will go with interest targeting. I'll link the videos, other targeting options, videos in the description. You can check them out also. There are many other ways to target audience too. For now we'll go with audience interest targeting. So here if you see, I'll just come into the section where it says India, so I'll select India for now. Age range, let's say I'm just running an ad for people who want to join digital marketing course, just for an example. So let's say 18 to, probably I just want to show it to 25 or 27, whatever it is. So 18 to 27, obviously all gender, don't want to limit the ads that way. Another thing, if you see here, is detailed targeting is off. So Facebook now, it does not let us select any interest targeting. These are some of the recent updates by Facebook. So if you see, the audience size is pretty high. What I would do is, I'll, instead of targeting whole India, I'll go state wise or city wise, and then create multiple ad sets of those campaigns. So probably I'll just go with Hyderabad here. So I'll just type Hyderabad and go with the city Hyderabad, and let's say 4.3 million. So that's about in my range, 25 miles around the Hyderabad. That's what it has selected, and I think it is pretty fine for me. So this is what our audience targeting is going to be. Next, again, it comes into placement. So you can let this ad run on automatic placement, but if you don't want to do that, you want to just run your ad on probably on Instagram, so you can switch off Facebook and audience network. If you just want to run it on Facebook, you can switch off audience network and Instagram. That is what you can do. You can manually also select the options here. I would go with automatic placement because I want my cost of leads or cost of messages to be very low. So I'll just go with the automatic placement for now here. Okay, so once you're done with this, just click on next, and you will come to the section where you need to create the ad. So first it is asking me ad name, so I'll just put this as an ad name, India version 1. Okay, that's my ad name. Page is already selected, Instagram account is also already selected. Now ad format, I want to create a single image, and then come down to the section we will upload. So it is asking me upload your ad image. So you want to create your Facebook ad on, you can create it on Canva. It's pretty easy to create ads on Canva. and you need to download it here and then upload the ad from here, this section. So I'll just directly upload, click on upload, and I do have the ads here created already. So I'll upload the ad, and boom, that's all. Just click on next and next, done. So this is our ad. If you see here, we also need to write primary text and all that things. So I'll just write here probably number 1 digital marketing course. For now, I guess that's enough. Headline, it says chat on WhatsApp. Okay, so headline will be displayed. Let me just come down to this section. So it says chat on WhatsApp. Okay, that's how it is displayed. We can write our own headline also. Instead of chat on WhatsApp, we can just say number 1 digital marketing course, or you can say 100% placement options or assistance, whatever you want to keep it here. Or I just want to say 100% placement assistance. Yeah, because institutes, these are the very common things institutes have. Okay, once you're done here, you just need to come to call to action section, and here you can choose your own call to action. For now, we'll just keep it send WhatsApp message. Now this will not let me run WhatsApp ad right now because this account is pretty new. We have not run any ads from this account. It's a dummy account. So that's what it says, that ads that direct to WhatsApp can be created after several weeks of following our policies. So directly you can't run WhatsApp ads. You just need to run few other ads first, and then once Facebook thinks that you are a legitimate business or business owner who are running the ads, then it can help you create these WhatsApp ads directly. So it will not let me create from this account. That's why it is just showing me this error warning here. But yeah, this is how pretty much you can create the WhatsApp ad. Then there is a message template also. Once the person clicks on that chat option, what do you want them to send as a welcome message? So this is going to be the welcome message. Hi, please let us know how we can help you. Okay, so that's the first message the person will receive. And then you can also put in your frequently asked questions, like if you want to ask them what is the course duration you are looking for, or what are you doing right now, are you studying, in case of my ads I'm talking about, those kind of questions. You can just put it down here and just click on save and finish, and that's it. That template will be applied. Okay, and once the person clicks on apply now or WhatsApp button, they'll directly get that welcome message and few questions after that. And once the person comes onto your WhatsApp account, you can directly talk with that person and convert them into your client. So this is pretty much how you run a WhatsApp ads. If you still have any more questions, you can just drop them in the comment section. I would love to answer them. Until next video, thank you so much. Bye bye.